Uh-huh.
The wind is making it fly everywhere, so some is going that way, and it looks like some is getting twisted around.
Get a video of the house. The wind chill out here is about 6, so Joey and I are very cold. This is our little neighborhood we live in. This is what our house looks like. And my car, all the birds and stuff, the neighbor's house. We live on about not quite a full acre of land. This is a 3-car garage that's on our land, and a shed, and another shed with like a giant dead tree branch in the air. Oh, it's scary, and it is freezing out here, guys.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Look at the drifts. Yes. Blowing snow, blizzard, cold. March 27th or March 28th, I'm not sure. But anyway, yes. Brrr! Kansas! We love Kansas! Okay. Joey is going inside. And so am I, because we have to. It's too cold here. Okay. We're going to get past the snowdrift that's keeping us from going inside and going outside. And
closing the door.
while I'm at it, I'm going to show you inside our house a little bit.
No!
Turn on some of the lights in the house, Joe. Oh, you're covered in snow, and now there's snow all over the floor. That's the dog. Okay, you can unbundle now. This is our little house where we live. We like it. It's very cozy and warm. And this is as far as we can open the door right at this point in time. So, brr. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
There's our little alcove where I keep my plant and statue of Jesus, baby Jesus. And peace out. Oh wait, here's our kitchen. Yay! Okay. Brr. Yes, it is so cold outside. Woo-wee. But we like our cozy little house.
Yeah.
And Joey, you're getting the floor all wet. You're going to be regretting that here shortly, okay?
Yeah, probably.
Here's what it looks like from the other end.
She left you two alone?
I'm 16.
Strikes!
We ordered Chinese. Keep it out.
Anybody else know?
Okay. Now I'm going to take you into the bathroom. Yay!
Why must we take them into the bathroom?
We don't know why. Just because we can. Okay. Yay! I got the 2 bedroom doors shut. And also the bathroom door shut to conserve on energy. So, anyway, it's much more affordable to live here with when we're saving our energy.
She was thrilled.
Close the door, Joey.
Look at this!
She was
Look
thrilled.
at this from the
There's no way
outside!
that she would have done.
I know, you can't see it from the inside. It's all crusted over with snow and stuff on the door. I can't see you because it's so bright. There's such a bright light behind you. All you are is like a shadow.
I know! That's
Okay.
because it's all white!
Waiting.
Yeah. Oh, and And here's our laundry room is in there, and the kitchen, and
Initial talk screen came back.
coffee bar and stuff like that.
About 2 and 3.
Yay!
Her husband said she
Do you want the pretzel?
Okay.
We'll just Surgeon General.
All right.
Found traces of Prince Diane.
Happy spring storm, everybody.
Pretzels.
Stop it. Happy spring storm, everybody. We're out of here.
Yeah.